Hello. Today we'll learn how to introduce yourself in Polish. Simple sentences for beginners. First, nazywam się, and you add your name. For example, nazywam się Tutu. It means my name is Tutu. Repeat after me. Next, jestem z, and you add your city or your country. I am from Tunisia, for example. Say with me, jestem z Tunisia. To tell your age, say mam and the number lat. It means I am 30 years or 15 years. Mam 20 lat. Later on, to talk about what you like, you say lubię and you say exactly what you like. Lubię ta ta ta. I like music, for example. Lubię muzykę. Write one sentence about yourself in Polish in the comments.